Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Hisense Roku TV to Wi-Fi without remote. Let's go. If you don't have a remote and don't have access to the Roku virtual remote, you can use the keyboard. Connect the keyboard to the TV via USB. Use arrows. Open Settings. Network, Setup connection. Wireless. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter password. Once your TV is connected to Wi-Fi, you can use Roku Virtual Remote. That's it. Now you know how to connect Hisense Roku TV to Wi-Fi without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.